And so this was more evidence of setting up a system with a broad goal of learning to speak could then be retasked on arbitrary narrow goals we might simply ask of it. A turning point came in 2017 when a team of researchers at a lab called OpenAI built on Karpathy's work and set up a larger recurrent network and trained it on a massive set of 82 million Amazon reviews, the largest model to date. And when they probed the neurons in this network, they found neurons deeper in the network which had learned complex conceptual concepts. For example, they reported the discovery of a sentiment neuron, which was a single neuron within the network that directly corresponded to the sentiment of the text, how positive or negative it sounded. They showed this neuron's activation as it processed text, perfectly classifying the sentiment. This was striking because at the time, this was something industry used commonly and required specialized systems trained on that one task. But in this case, they didn't do any of that work. The sentiment neuron emerged out of the process of learning to predict the next word. And to show that this network had a good internal model or understanding of sentiment, they had the network generate text, and while doing so, they forced that sentiment neuron to be positive or negative, and then it spit out positive and negative reviews, which were entirely artificial, but indistinguishable from a human-written review. And they write, "It is an open question why our model recovers the concept of sentiment in such a precise, disentangled, interpretable, and manipulable way."